Hey everyone, if you're looking for a tiny powerhouse that can handle work, creative projects, or even light gaming without taking up half your desk, the MSI Cubi NUC AI Business Mini Desktop might be exactly what you need. I know how frustrating it can be to juggle multiple screens, tons of browser tabs, and still have your computer slow down. So today, I'm going to show you whether this little box can actually keep up, and if it's worth the investment. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. Let's start with the heart of this machine, the Intel 14-core Ultra 5125H processor. That's not just a fancy name, it means real performance. I've been using this for a few weeks now, and it breezes through everyday tasks like email, spreadsheets, and video calls. But what really surprised me was how smoothly it handled heavier workloads. I had 15 Chrome tabs open, a couple of YouTube videos running in the background, and I was editing a 4K video in Premiere Rush at the same time. Usually, my laptop would start lagging or the fans would kick in, but this little guy barely broke a sweat. It's perfect for professionals who need reliability without the bulk. Now, storage and memory are where this thing truly shines. With 64 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 2 TB SSD, you're not just getting speed, you're getting future-proofing. I've installed a bunch of apps, games, and even a few virtual machines for testing, and there's still plenty of room left. The SSD is super fast, so booting up Windows or loading large files feels instant. If you're someone who works with big files, like video editors, designers, or data analysts, this setup will save you so much time waiting around. One of the biggest perks for me is the display setup. This thing supports up to 4 4K monitors at once. I hooked it up to 2 4K TVs and 2 1440p monitors, and everything ran flawlessly. The ports are a dream, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 2 HDMI outputs, and even 2 2.5G LAN ports for super fast wired internet. I was able to stream 4K content to one screen while gaming on another and still have 2 more for work. It's like having a full workstation without the tower. If you're a creator, a trader, or just someone who loves multiple screens, this is a game changer. Connectivity is another area where this mini PC excels. Wi-Fi 6E means faster and more stable wireless connections, even in crowded spaces. The dual 2.5G LAN ports are perfect for professionals who need ultra-low latency, like video editors or network engineers. And with Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, you get all the security and productivity features out of the box. No bloatware, no hassle, just a clean, professional setup. I also love how compact and quiet this thing is. It's about the size of a small router, so it fits anywhere. I've had it sitting on my desk next to my monitors, and you can barely hear it. The fan is quiet, and the heat output is minimal. It's not some loud, power-hungry beast, it's a sleek, efficient machine that just works. Now, let's talk about a few things to consider. First, while it's great for light gaming and creative work, it's not a high-end gaming rig. If you're looking to run the latest AAA titles at max settings, you might want to pair it with a dedicated GPU or look elsewhere. Also, since it's a mini PC, upgrades are limited. The RAM and SSD are soldered, so you can't swap them out later. That said, 64 GB of RAM and 2 TB of storage are pretty generous for most users, so it's not a deal-breaker unless you have very specific needs. Another thing to note is the price. This isn't the cheapest mini PC out there, but you're paying for performance and versatility. If you need a machine that can handle multiple displays, heavy multitasking, and still look good on your desk, this is a solid investment. So, who is this mini PC for? If you're a professional who needs reliability, speed, and a clean setup, the MSI Cubi NUC AI Business Mini Desktop is a fantastic choice. It's great for creators, developers, traders, or anyone who wants a powerful machine without the bulk. It's quiet, efficient, and packed with features that make daily tasks, and even some heavy lifting, feel effortless. If this sounds like what you've been looking for, you can find the latest price and details in the description below. I've linked it there for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.